how to find and see pools on IMDb on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to IMDb, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to the top here. After you log into your account, of course, click on menu. Here you will find many options. All what you have to do is simple. Just go down and you will find this pools option. Click on it like this, and now here you will find this pool right here. Click on take this pool. And now you can make your choice from here, or you can discuss the pool here. Actually, it's so good to discuss here. There is a lot of cool people to discuss with some movies if you want. And for example, if you want to vote for movies, choose for example one of these and click on it here, vote. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.